Hello guys, today I want to show you how to repair a pair of glasses. This is a new method I'm trying, so I hope it's gonna be okay. This is the pair of glasses I want to repair. I already started to take the broken bit out, which is this piece of metal, the hinge. It was completely broken from this frame. Okay, so what I've done till now, before I start filming, I took a lighter, I've heated this with a bit of pliers. I took the metal out, and now, well, I had this idea a couple of days before. I bought a very cheap pair of glasses, which are these ones with good hinge, and I want to take the good hinge out and put it to the pair of glasses I want to repair. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing now. Actually, I have one bolt to take out, because this one has bolt. They're different, they're not the same as these ones. These are don't have bolt. Okay, I got myself my small screwdriver set. There's a cross small one. Okay, I'm gonna undo this one. Actually, I don't know what's going on, it's not coming out. Okay, if it's working or not, stay with me till the end. So, I took the spare glasses hinge out. Now I'm gonna try to burn and melt this piece, and to try and make it myself as how it should normally look like. I'm trying even to put the spare glasses frame to the ones I need to. They're a bit different, but you don't really care, isn't it? Now I'm trying to put the hinge in place. When it's still hot. Try and form the same as it should. It's not really working, but we're trying and trying. Right, now I managed to melt this part and to put the hinge of the other glasses in. It's looking not very good. It's looking quite bad, unprofessional, but I'm gonna melt more of this plastic of the original part over these pieces of metal here to cover it as much as possible and to give the flexibility as well. I know it's not very professional, but at least they stay stable. Yeah, it's not going like that. Okay, so I'm gonna melt it more and more. Now it's very soft. I put it down on the table to try and make it equal. Right, so in the end, what I've done, I've managed to put the old hinge from this frame into the new part of the other frame. I've screwed them together, and then I've melted plastic from the original glasses I want, and I put around this hinge everywhere. So it's actually having a hinge there, which is moving a little bit like that. Obviously it's impossible to move it all the way down. Yep, but what I'm glad of, I can still put my glasses on and they're quite equal, strong enough, I think, better than sticking them with super glue. Is, I believe, strong enough. Yeah, is equal to, if you want to try to make this, to make them equal, there are a couple of tutorials on YouTube how to adjust your glasses. After I've put this in place as it should, as I mentioned, I've melted, look at this, I've melted loads of plastic around this hinge to hold it in place. Yeah, look at this, how it looks, but it worked. I'm happy. Is very unprofessional, is not looking very good, but I'm happy to use them. The best way is to buy new glasses as soon as possible. This one, the other glasses, you could push the hinge like that, and this hinge, same, it has the same flexibility. So I'm happy, and yeah, they're very good. So I think this is what we wanted to see today, that I can use these glasses. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in another tutorial of how to repair stuff. Thank you. Bye. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Or if you have friends that want to repair their glasses, same as me, just share them this video. Thank you. Bye.